No Jamaican Easter is complete without fish, but let's take it a step further. We're bringing that tradition to the river, combining great food with one of our favorite pastimes, enjoying nature. For Jamaicans, the period of Lent leading up to Easter often means eating more fish and plant-based meals. I love prepping food outdoors by the river, but today I'm doing it overnight at home. Here's a tip that makes river trips way more enjoyable. Get your prep done beforehand. That way you're not stuck cooking the whole time and you can actually enjoy the river. It's even more helpful if you're shooting a video, like I am today. I've got some yellowtail snapper and a couple of parrotfish. After scaling, gutting, rinsing them with a little vinegar, I'm seasoning lightly with salt, pepper, and a bit of all-purpose seasoning. Fish really doesn't need much, just salt and pepper can bring out the flavor, especially when it's this fresh. I'm also prepping the vegetables for Escovitch sauce. I'll link a video below with a detailed guide on how to make this sauce. In that video I show two different methods on how to easily fine tune it to your taste, so check it out if you're interested.
Run out with river. Then what? You we out of Benta gate then.
I can't even catch up on the video.
Morning.
See?
Ah,
Sound look nice.
I try to go all the way to my bottom. Where's Shamar saying? Around here already, no? I grew up really close to Benta River. My primary school was just 3 minutes away. A couple of times I'd sneak out of school and come here, but before it was properly developed and maintained. I remember one time a group of us went back to school almost soaking wet, and as punishment our teacher made us stand in the sun to dry. Hey, what we did today? Oh.
One cameraman, you know?
Yo!
We're gonna beat up in there, never really use it. I need to elevate this and I get some stone.
Then shrink.
What?
Come here.
Hold on.
Oh, then. Let's do my son.
May I tell?
Little fish.
They won't say we en route both
But
together.
they don't want you purchase them things.
No, but that's cool. Yeah.
Oh, but it's more inviting.
It's sent. Them all invited.
Wow.
Come on.
Video walk.
This. Yeah. See that?
Too much time.
Yes. Dry time is a scam. Yeah. Wow, heat up so much. Cool. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Hey, woman. Not funny. That's your one cheese. Let's go wait.
Oh, you cut your halfway. Okay.
When you fry and set me shuffle it up on.
And that's even one.
Can I have a
Me feel better when it's dry. Plus when I never do put water.
Oh, in my move. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that's working. Oh, watch out. It's a burning a gun.
Alright, when the Escovitch starts to see you like no.
All we need to do is put in more fish.
So you have to make a fish.
My brother can't come. And that's a gun. Detail, you know? You're not going to be one detail video.
Say eat.
Coconut milk.
So I'm going to stop.
Alright.
To make one nipple.
Yeah.
Oh.
You want one bit? My big bro is making the dough for the Fried Festival, and let me tell you, this is hands down the best festival I've ever tasted. I already have a festival recipe video, but this one was way too good. It's a lot simpler with way fewer ingredients, so of course I'll be making a new recipe video soon. The fish is done frying, so now it's time for the Escovitch sauce. This is how it's usually done at a Jamaican fish fry. We take a bit of that flavored oil and use it to saute the vegetables.
Mind if I do?
Kick and roll.
Let's share and hold on.
Man, over. Make it festival.
After frying up the festival, that's it. Everything's ready to go. The fish, the festival, the escovitch sauce, it all comes together beautifully. The key to this whole experience was prep. Getting everything ready ahead of time made the process feel so much smoother, allowing us to focus on the fun part, enjoying the food and the river. Right amount of spice. Well seasoned.
Well, nice, but it's hot.
Ah, taste of pepper nice.
You not taste no pepper?
It's not video me. Babe.
That empty.
Tastes good.
There you go, Ali. How it tastes, Ali?
Wait, don't have nothing different from beer, and I forgot.
Yeah. Now, with our bellies full and the food tasting as good as it looks, we can truly appreciate the moment, taking in the river, the company, and everything that makes this experience so special. This is what makes a Jamaican fish fry by the river unforgettable. The perfect combination of great food, good vibes, and a little bit of planning.